Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to Aloha's class. Let's start with this video by telling you that you have already clicked here in the eye icon, in which you can see this video as many times as you wish. Therefore, I would like to explain to you that if you click in that book, you will find, amongst others, all the activities divided into different lessons, 6 lessons. And then at the end of the document, you will find a screenshot of this virtual classroom as well as the link. So if you are ready, let's go to session number 1. As you can see here, you will find 3 numbers. It means that there are 3 main activities. If you click next to the first number, which is the white screen, a website will be open. In that case, it's a word art web page in which we're going to type all the words that we already know about this topic, which is animals, so that you will know our previous knowledge about the topic. Then if we go to activity number 2, a website will be open. It's a Tiny Cards website in which you can play a game using flashcards about animals. Then in activity number 3, which is in the computer, a YouTube will be open.
Brown bear, what do you see?
And the story Brown Bear, what do you see, is going to be read aloud by a woman. Then if we go to session number 2, we will find also 3 activities. The first one is in that Bluetooth speaker, and a YouTube website will be open in which you will find a brown bear rap. So you could sing and listen to this rap. Then activity number 2 is hidden here, but it's genuinely in which you can play a memory game about animals. And finally, in activity number 3, which is on the computer, it's a lyric training activity in which you will have to play you have 2 options. You can type the missing words, or you can choose among different options to complete the song. Then in session number 3, the first activity is here hidden, and it's also an activity using flashcards about animals. Then the second activity is a ISL collective, in which you can watch a video and answer some questions about the video. It's also a video from the story Brown Bear, what do you see? And then finally in activity number 3, you will find a worksheet in which you will have to count the parts. The parts of the body of these monsters. So you would have to choose the correct number. For example, here it says I have got how many legs? 1, 2, 3, and 4. You will click 4. Okay, now then let's go to session number 4. The first activity is here. It's a word wall activity. It's basically is a game in order to revise colors. Let's play the first level. So this level's is, which color is the horse? Sorry, it's blue. But you have to try to keep the color inside of the Then this was number 1. So number 2 in the white screen, it's a learning apps activity in which you have to match the sound with the correct animal. And in activity number 3, basically is the story about Go Away Big Green Monster, told by a person too. So in session number 5, we have a song here, a fake WhatsApp activity in which students, you will have to create a mini dialogue. And in activity number 3, which is here, it will be done during the Google Meet session, in which we are going to play a math dictation. I will tell you, for example, draw a monster which has 3 eyes, 5 arms, and 2 heads, for example. Yes? And then in session number 6, which is here, you have 2 main activities. The first one is a Chatterpix activity, in which we are going to play with riddles. And then the second activity, it is a Kahoot, in which we are going to revise the story about the brown bird, what do you see? A book. And I think I have explained more or less everything, but I have to tell you that if you have any doubts, do not hesitate to write me an email or a WhatsApp or whatever. All right? See you soon. Bye bye.